$10 Zippo at Walmart? What? Look at this. Look at this. You can't tell. That you can. The markings say L on the left side and 12. I'm pretty much sure that's just 12 and 12. But this is $10 at Walmart. Like right in the front where they have all the crappy lighters. This little Ronson butane lighter was up there too. It was like $12. But a Zippo? Something I noticed was the stamp, or not the stamp, the little side marks are really pronounced on this thing. And it kind of like opens weird. Like, listen. That's normal, but it's like crackles on the way up. Yeah, and I filled it up and it works and everything. Yeah, let me give it a second. I just almost grabbed it. The inside, it's all really gross looking. I'm wondering if that means something. Or I'm just curious how a Zippo is only $10. So yeah, Jeffy, help me out here.